Going on, guys? Wednesday, August 20th, and I told you I would be back with the monkey butter recipe. So here we are. It's really, really easy to make. Very few ingredients. So right now I have like a million things going on in the kitchen. For one, I'm waiting for my canning water to heat up, and then I have kombucha tea, which has just been boiled and is steeping right now. And over here, my butter is getting to room temperature as well as my bananas because I'm making more banana walnut bread. And this is what my counter looks like right now. See all the counter space I have, folks. Not very much. I've actually moved stuff like sitting on the bench in front of the door. But anyways, monkey butter. We are going to need a saucepan. You are going to need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. So go ahead and one, two, three, right into the saucepan. And then we are going to add good old sugar. How much, you ask? 3 cups. Now this is going to yield probably 3 to 4 pints, or if you would rather do half pints, I don't currently have any half pints, hence why I'm going to do full pints, but I do expect to get 3 to 4 out of this. So 3 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. No room in this house at all. And where'd it go? I left it in the pantry. 20 ounces. Make sure it's crushed pineapple. Juice and all. And what am I missing? Coconut. I'm going to need some shredded coconut, about a half a cup. Now, I have not had monkey butter before, but I am a fan of pineapple, bananas, and coconut. So, being that I already had all the ingredients here, I figured give it a whirl. And lastly, I want 5 ripe bananas. Peel your bananas. See that? That's what it looks like thus far. Let's go ahead and slice them up. That one has a brown spot. We don't want any browns. So cut that out. I'll eat that because I don't mind. So we can go ahead and recap. 3 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a half cup of shredded coconut, and a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. I'm not really sure where monkey butter got its name, because obviously it does not have monkeys in it, and it is not a butter. So I don't know. If anyone knows where monkey butter happened to get its name, please enlighten me. So I'd certainly like to know. Yeah, so a lot of kitchen stuff going on this afternoon. Sounds like my water's getting ready to bubble, so I will put 4-pint cans, 4-pint jars to be safe, and I will boil them, get them sterilized, while this cooks. So that's it. It's all my ingredients right there. Have a masher. Kind of mix it all up, mash it up a bit till you get it to the consistency that you like. And then what I'm going to do is throw it on the stove top, just on a medium heat. You don't have to go crazy with a high heat. And it's going to cook, again, basically until you are satisfied with the thickness. But it's probably going to be anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. And then once you're done, you're going to go ahead and fill your jars. Fill your jars, process them for 10-15 minutes, and that's it. You got monkey butter. If anyone happens to try this recipe out, let me know. Again, I haven't had this before, so I'm very interested to see how it tastes. Maybe I'll try some on the banana walnut bread. So that is it, my friends. I'm going to take this and throw it on the stove again to the consistency of your liking. On a medium heat, 15 to 30 minutes. And that's it. Monkey butter. Have a good day.